Hi, I'm Ellen Libby, a senior formulation chemist in the applications lab here at 3V Sigma USA. And in my experience as a formulator, body lotions have at times felt like a category that don't offer a lot of room for innovation. But I'm learning little tricks that can come together to create a more dynamic product. And in this video, I'm going to share some of my strategies as we go through our Ashwagandha Daily Moisturizing Lotion formula. I'm starting with the water phase, deionized water, our chelating agent, and butylene glycol, and I'm heating it to match the temperature needed for the oil phase. The oil phase will include our oil and water emulsifiers, builders, and emollients. I'm using Emulsiderm MPN, which is our liquid, cold process compatible, 100% naturally derived emulsifier, alongside glycerol laurate. The two of these together are very mild on the skin and will not have that whitening or soaping effect when it's rubbed in. A little bit of cetyl alcohol will thicken the consistency of the lotion. We approach emollient selection kind of like we're creating a perfume, but instead of olfactive, head, heart, and base notes, we're creating an accord of emollients, and the notes might be slippery to draggy or light to rich. The ester cascade strategy enables virtually limitless customization of the sensorial outcome. And I think this is a really cool concept because it enables the formulator to lock in their emulsifier, rheological additive, their preservative and chelating agent, and by just changing the emollients or even just the emollient ratio, they can create this diverse portfolio of emulsion products. In this lotion, I'm using Sensiderm PGD, Sensiderm RO, and Sensiderm INN in equal parts. This ester cascade is moisturizing, cushiony, soft, and fast absorbing with subtle shine. After heating the oil phase enough to melt the cetyl alcohol and glycerol laurate, and transferring the hot oil phase into the hot water phase, we can turn off the heat. As the batch cools, I'm adding Rapid Gel Easy 2 for quick thickening and additional emulsion stability. Because Rapid Gel is pre-neutralized and pre-dispersed in a lipophilic solvent, it goes into the water very quickly and can be added at any stage of the process. It's also contributing to the soft and slippery sensation of the lotion. Before finishing the batch with ashwagandha extract, preservative, and fragrance, I'm dispersing Active Derm RP. The fine rice starch particles glide on the skin and build on the soft, silky sensorial effect we were targeting with the ester cascade. We've made a stable, bright white, smooth emulsion. On the skin, it has high spreadability, ideal for a body lotion. It's soft, smooth, moisturizing, and when I rub it in, there's no whitening effect. To recap, 3V Sigma USA materials can help elevate body lotion formulation by improving skin feel through mild and easy-to-use emulsifiers and rheological additives, through customizable ester cascades, and with our texture modifier, Active Derm RP. It wasn't a high priority for me when I was making this formula to max out the natural origin content, but that's another way you could improve this formula. As it stands, the natural origin content is 94%, but by simply swapping out an emollient, you could push this to 98%. I hope this gave you some ideas on how to elevate your everyday body lotion to a more exciting product. If you're interested in recommendations on a project-specific ester cascade, you can reach out to me through the contact form on 3vsigmausa.com.